Expanding triple brackets in algebraic expressions. In this video, you are going to learn how to expand triple brackets in algebraic expressions. Let's look at a simple example. A plus 3 times A plus 2 times A plus 1. Whenever you come across triple brackets, follow two steps. Ignore one bracket and simplify the expression in double brackets. Multiply the result in step 1 with the expression in remaining bracket. If there are more than two terms in a bracket, you can split it to a series of single bracket multiplications. Sounds complex? You can understand better when we do this example. First, let's take the first two brackets, A plus 3 times A plus 2, and simplify that using grid method. Create a grid and write the terms from each bracket along the top and side of the grid. Multiply each pair of terms where a row and column meet to fill in each cell of the grid. Add up all the terms from the grid and combine any like terms to simplify the expression. Now, let's write all the terms together. A squared plus 3a plus 2a plus 6. By combining the like terms, the final expression is A squared plus 5a plus 6. Now, let's take this result and multiply that with the term A plus 1 in the third bracket. To expand the double brackets, break it into single-term expressions. First, write the bracket with two terms, then the one with three. We can rewrite this expression as A times A squared plus 5a plus 6 plus 1 times A squared plus 5a plus 6. When you multiply A with all terms in the bracket, and 1 with all terms in the bracket, it will be. Let's simplify by combining the like terms. We get A cubed plus 6a squared plus 11a plus 6. The simplified expression of A plus 3 times A plus 2 times A plus 1 is A cubed plus 6a squared plus 11a plus 6.